Hi, hello, Joel. Recently, we launched the Ribbon End-to-End Solution, and the cable is a key feature in this solution, if not the most important part of the complete Ribbon End-to-End Solution. So could you maybe tell me a little bit more about the differences between the Opti Ribbon and the Opti Pack, if there are any?
Yes, of course. So mainly the main difference between the Opti Pack and the Opti Ribbon is the fiber itself. So in the Opti Pack we have loose fibers, and in the Opti Ribbon we have a ribbon fiber. So that's why it's called Opti Ribbon.
Okay, but that means we keep like the CPRs, the diameter. These cables are still made in Switzerland, so all of this remains the same.
Exactly. So the CPR rating and all mechanical characteristics are the same and stays the same.
Okay, good. Now that you mentioned the ribbon fiber, are there many types of ribbon fiber on the market?
Yeah, there are two different ribbon types existing. There's the flat ribbon and there is also the flexible ribbon. And we are using the flexible ribbon in our cable.
And what are the benefits of using the flex ribbon?
The flexible ribbon is, as you called, is flexible. Flexible, that means that you can roll it into a tube or into a loose tube or a subunit, and there is no stress on the fiber.
So if we go back to the ribbon fiber, what are the benefits of using ribbon fiber?
So the main benefit of the ribbon fibers is the mass fusion splicing.
Okay, that means you save time, I guess.
Exactly. So the main difference between the mass fusion splicing and the single splicing is that you can splice instead of one fiber, 12 at the same time. So that means if you're using, for example, an Opti Pack with 144 fibers, you can now in the same time splice an Opti Ribbon with 288 fibers.
Okay, but that sounds really good. So we increase density with our solution without having a negative point to the installers. Okay, what type of different cables do we have in this Opti Ribbon family?
So we have two different types at the moment. We have the Opti Ribbon DJ and we have the Opti Ribbon Breakout. The Opti Ribbon DJ comes with 12 or 24 fibers, and the Opti Ribbon Breakout comes with up to 288 fibers.
Okay, good. Are we doing single mode, multi-mode?
At the moment, the Opti Ribbon is just available with single mode, but if the request is here, why not try it with multi-mode?
Okay, and just my last question regarding the micron, the size of the fiber itself. It's 200 micron or is it a different size?
So in the Opti Ribbon we are using or producing right now, there is no 200 micron fibers, but there is an option to have the 200 micron fibers. If a customer wishes that, we are able to use the 200 micron.
So which one are we using?
We have 250 microns.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for answering all my questions. And if you have more questions to place to us, please leave them in the comment in our website and we will answer you in further videos.
Bye.
Bye.